Hello, good morning everyone. This is Shivachran and today I'm going to give a presentation on uncertainty in visual generative AI. And yeah, coming to the topic, introduction to visual generative AI. Visual generative AI refers to algorithms or such as videos, graph or graphics which from textual restrictions or other inputs. These technologies leverage deep learning models, particularly generative adversarial networks or diffusion models. Understanding the uncertainty in these outputs is crucial for assessing the reliability or applicability. So yeah, the visual generative AI refers to the AI which generates images. In simple terms, when you ask for ChatGPT or any other AI, in image for like a parrot or a animal or a person doing something, this generates this generative AI generates the image. This visual generative AI not only generates images but also generates videos. Which you must have saw some AI related AI generated videos and AI generated movies, something like that. And yeah, this refers to that. This AI collects visual data from all sorts of sources of networks and all, and in turn, when you request it by gathering from all those learning models, it develops its own sort of representation out of all those the data which it saw and analyzes a new entirely different sort of output and gives us the required image or video or anything. And yeah, coming to the uncertainty in it, there may be some issues in it when you try to ask a specific image, but it can't generate it properly because that is uncertainty if you are not if you are getting the correct output or not. And yeah, coming to the topic, what is uncertainty in AI? Uncertainty in AI we can analyze from different various sources, including model parameters, input data, inherent randomness in generation process. It can be classified into two main types: epistemic uncertainty, which pertains to lack of knowledge, or aleatoric uncertainty, which involves inherent variability. Addressing uncertainty is essential for enhancing the robustness and interpret, interpretability of AI generated outputs. And yeah, uh, there may be different sorts of sources from which this uncertainty may rise, like the model parameter, the different sorts of, like if we ask a specific AI model to generate 10 elephants, it may generate 9 or 8 due to certain its like it can't like imagine it, or if there are any other errors that may happen. Or you can also, there may be some error with input data, you're not given proper input or maybe anything. And there are also inherent randomness in the AI itself. If it can't properly gather all the data and generate it, that may also be one problem. And yeah, in this they are the uncertainty is classified into two different types. One is epistemic uncertainty, which pertains to lack of knowledge, as I said in the presentation. Lack of knowledge means it can't understand what you're talking about or what we are saying because there is nothing relatable to it. If you ask someone, like I know a person called Prakash maybe, and I ask him to generate a image of Prakash. How can it know Prakash? Because uh, it's not like that guy is a popular character all over the world, or a movie actor, right? So it can't generate him if I ask him to generate Prakash or generate myself because I'm also not famous, like I'm not all about the world. And yeah, this person is a lack of knowledge. This is just an example. There are also many various cases like this. Not only generating people or generating objects too. There are some objects which may it can't understand or like that. And coming to aleatoric uncertainty, which involves inherent variability. The variability means the own problem with the AI itself, because it can't comprehend what's happening, or it can't. If you ask it to generate various images at once, it can't. It lacks itself and it doesn't work properly. That's the property of inherent variability. And yeah, this uncertainty, knowing the uncertainties in this is essential for increasing its robustness and also increasing its usage. Because if there is uncertainty in it, you can't utilize it properly up to its full extent. And yeah, coming to the source of uncertainty in visual generative AI, data quality and representativeness play a significant role in shaping the uncertainty of generated images. Model architecture and training methods can introduce variability, affecting the consistency of generated outputs. The complexity of the task, such as generating high resolution images or capturing intricate details, also contributes to uncertainty. Yeah, data quality also, and like if you are asking it a relatably not popular or not much sources provided about something like that, it can't generate much of images, and also it may can't generate a proper image. So yeah, data quality is also very important in generate uncertainty, because if there's only proper data quality can generate the image. If not, there may be uncertainty present. Model architecture and training methods, like if you are different giving different models, and you're also not using it, or you're testing it to do different things at once, it may also include variable, because if you are repeatedly asking again and again different things, it may jumble up all of them, which may affect the consistency of the upcoming outputs too. So it's better not to do that. The complexity of the task, such as if you're using it to make a zoo, such as you're asking it to create a video of a zoo containing of 10 different animals, different animals, like a tiger, a white tiger, and a white tiger, a tiger, and maybe a cheetah, and asking them to be red colored, it will definitely be not of proper. It can't generate it because it's overwhelmed by it. And yeah, coming to epistemic uncertainty explained. Epistemic uncertainty arises from a lack of knowledge about the model parameters or data generation process. It can be reduced by gathering more data or improving the model architecture and training protocols. Techniques like Bayesian interference can quantify and mitigate epistemic uncertainty in generative models. Yeah, it requires a lack of knowledge about the model parameters and data integration process. It can be reduced by gathering more data, improving the model architecture and training protocols. And yeah, it can be reduced the epistemic uncertainty because it occurs to lack of, it can be reduced by giving it more data or gathering more data to give it to the AI and make it generate, or improving the model architecture and giving it uh, maximum details to work on, and also improving the training protocols. Yep. Coming to aleatoric uncertainty. Aleatoric uncertainty is related to the inherent unpredictability in data itself, such as noise or variability in the input. Unlike epistemic uncertainty, this type cannot be reduced to additional data collection. Understanding and modeling aleatoric uncertainty is essential for generating high quality realistic images. Aleatoric uncertainty is related to the inherent unpredictability. It's just the error in data itself, such as a a blur, a noise, or a variability in the input, such as if you are giving it something to generate a visual generation on, such as a video or audio. If there are gaps in details, it may generate blurs, it may generate like background, not say proper background, but also which may also entirely different sort of input output. Yeah. Unlike epistemic uncertainty, this type cannot be reduced to additional data collection. This The problem lies in the data itself. It's not like if you give it more data, it will correct itself. No, it is in the AI itself. The problem is in the AI, and so it cannot comprehend or understand what's happening. And yeah, understanding it and why the problem is occurring. And to comprehend the elaborate content is very important in generating high quality, realistic, and visual images. Yeah, measuring uncertainty in generative models. Various methods exist to quantify uncertainty, including Monte Carlo output and the ensembling modeling techniques. These approaches allow for estimating the confidence of generated outputs, considering variation models across modern practice predictions. Effective measurement of uncertain enhanced decision making process in applications like art creation and design. And yeah. mm, uh, Effective measure of uncertainties enhance decision making processes, such as if you are using applications like art creation or designing, uh, uncertainty, uh, the, uncer- uh, the measurement of uncertainty enhances decision making in creating applications like art processing or design. Okay. The different approaches, such as approaches I talk about, like Monte Carlo dropout, these help us to estimate the confidence of generated outputs by considering variation of model predictions. Implications in uncertainty in art and design. Uncertainty can influence the perceived quality and trustworthiness of AI generated visual content. Artists and designers may face challenges in utilizing generative AI, such as uncertainty can lead to unpredictable outcomes. Understanding and managing uncertainty can enhance creativity and innovation in the design process. You can understand the uncertainty, it may also increase your creativity because you can also rectify many mistakes happening in the design and the AI itself. And yeah, you can also use the AI to create more variable data and also much attractable data. You can also utilize it to for many challenges which may face in the traditional making of visual generations. And yeah, if you can't understand, there may be unpredictable outcomes, so understanding it is better for itself. Addressing understanding in applications, various applications such as medical imaging and autonomous driving require higher relative from visual generative AI, such as there are AI cameras which scan the area around and show us the vehicles are there or not. But it relies on sensor technology, not there is not any camera or anything, etc. It's only generated on the views, etc. So it is very important for them to accurate, because if they are not, there may be many mishaps be happening. It may is also like using X-rays to scan the person's body to recreate what is in the internal structure of the human. In this too, medical imaging is very important, as uh, it is concerned with the human's life, and if it's not right, there may be many mishaps happening. Implementing uncertainty and quantification methods improve safety and effectiveness in critical applications. Strategies like human in the loop systems may mitigate risks associated with the uncertainty in generated outputs. Yep. Case studies in uncertainty management. Case studies demonstrate how organizations have successfully integrated uncertainty quantification in their workflows. For example, in medical imaging, uncertainty quantification can lead to better diagnosis support tools. The real world applications highlight the importance of addressing uncertainty for effective deployment of AI technologies. Yeah, there are many real-time uses of visual generative AI, such as uh, the medical imaging. It is very important because it concerns with the human life, and also there are many uses. It can also find the diseases. It can also this is also used to research like how is if you are trying to research on a vaccine, it may also show us how is the vaccine affecting the body, which may also make them help to improve the algorithms, and also uh, make proper antibodies for the diseases, etc. uh, yeah, there are many case studies in showing this too. And there are future directions in research. And yeah, organized research aims to develop more sophisticated models that can inherently account for and reduce uncertainty. Innovations in interpretability and explainability are crucial for understanding how uncertainty affects generative processes. Collaborative efforts across disciplines will be essential for advancing in field of visual generative AI. Ongoing research, yeah, there is many organizations happening for this. There are also uncertainty being solved to reduce uncertainty. And yeah, innovations in interpretability and explainability are crucial. These are crucial for understanding how uncertainty affects it. And collaborative efforts are all across all types of different AIs are being done to advance the field of visual generative AI. Coming to the conclusion, uncertainty is a fundamental aspect of vision generative AI that cannot be ignored in development and application. By understanding and addressing uncertainty, we can improve the reliability and creativity of AI generated content, which advancements may hinge our ability or to measure, mitigate, and communicate uncertainty effectively. Yeah, there are future. If we can't do future advancements, it may affect our ability to measure, mitigate, or communication effectively. So, by researching this properly is the only way to properly use AI for ourselves. And yeah, thank you for the listening to the presentation.